The Honda Crosstour seamlessly blends sedan and SUV characteristics, serving as a practical option for those in need of additional cargo space without fully embracing an SUV. This innovative design attracts a wide range of consumers. From 2009 to 2015, Crosstour models have garnered a reputation for reliability and high customer satisfaction, achieving an impressive average rating of 4.5 out of 5. This dependable performance significantly enhances their appeal in the used car market. Used Honda Crosstours are available at competitive prices, typically ranging from $2,400 to $2,590 for well-maintained examples. This affordability positions them as attractive options for budget-conscious buyers seeking value. However, the Crosstour's distinctive styling may draw interest from some drivers while alienating others due to its hatchback-like silhouette, which can impact its overall market appeal. This polarizing aesthetic might restrict consumer enthusiasm. Another consideration is cargo capacity. The Crosstour's sloping rear design limits space compared to conventional SUVs, making it less practical for transporting larger items or accommodating family trips. Fuel efficiency presents another drawback. While adequate for a mid-size crossover, it does not fare as well against competitors like the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4, which might be preferable choices for fuel-conscious drivers. Moving on to the Mazda 6, the 2018 model boasts a striking design and an array of impressive features, appealing to both car enthusiasts and families in search of style and reliability. Its aesthetic captures a harmonious blend of elegance and sportiness. The 2018 Mazda 6 offers two engine options, catering to diverse preferences, a 2.5L four-cylinder engine alongside a turbocharged variant. This range allows drivers to select based on their desired performance characteristics. Despite its few drawbacks, such as limited rear seat space, the 2018 Mazda 6 impresses with luxury features and higher trims, enhancing both comfort and safety at a reasonable price point. The Grand Touring trim stands out for its appealing offerings. The Mazda 6 signature trim elevates the driving experience with premium features like ventilated seats and a Bose audio system, significantly enriching everyday comfort. However, even with its impressive features, some users have reported occasional glitches in the infotainment system, which can detract from the overall luxury experience. When compared to its competitors, the Mazda SIX's sporty performance may not satisfy those seeking a more dynamic driving experience, a crucial aspect for many potential buyers. Turning to the Honda Element, its rear seats can be configured in multiple ways, including folding flat or being completely removed, thereby enhancing cargo space. This flexibility proves ideal for transporting a variety of items. Equipped with a reliable 2.4L four-cylinder engine, the Honda Element offers decent fuel economy, averaging between 20 to 24 miles per gallon. Additionally, options for front-wheel or all-wheel drive accommodate a range of driving preferences. Over the years, the Honda Element has maintained a strong resale value, attracting collectors. Investing in a well-maintained model could result in an appreciation of value as it becomes increasingly rare. It's important to note that the ride quality of the Honda Element may be firmer than some drivers expect, potentially leading to a less comfortable experience on bumpy surfaces, which can be a consideration for long trips. In comparison to newer vehicles, the Honda Element lacks modern conveniences such as advanced infotainment systems and smartphone connectivity options, which have become standard in many contemporary SUVs. Finally, safety ratings for the Honda Element have not always been exemplary, with earlier models featuring fewer airbags and advanced safety technologies compared to current standards, making it a less appealing choice for safety-conscious buyers.